There comes a moment in every life when silence becomes heavier than fear. A moment when destiny stops whispering and start demanding answer. And when that moment arrives, you do not wait for signs. You do not wait for perfect circumstances. You do not wait for the path to be cleared. You work with the ones who are already to clear it with you. That is already calling your name. People think battles are fought outside, but the real war lives inside you, between what you feel and what you hide, between what you want and what you delay, between the courage you hold and the disclinations you feed. Understand one thing clearly. Nothing in life moves until you move. Even the sun waits for the earth to turn before it gives light. And life waits for a decision before it's opened the right door. There is always a voice inside that already knows the way, but life tests whether you are brave enough to follow it. Whether you can rise above fear, above opinion, above confusion, above hesitations, above doubt, whether you can listen to your own truth even when the world is loud. Strength is not walking through an open door. Strength is creating the door where others sees a wall. And the one who keeps delaying their own truth lose more to silence than they ever lose to any decision. So you ask today, not tomorrow. Are you choosing courage or are you choosing convictions? Are you choosing clarity or are you choosing confusions? Are you choosing trust or are you choosing comfort? Are you choosing directions or are you choosing distraction? Are you choosing what matters or are you choosing what is easy? Are you choosing actions or are you choosing rescheduling? Life rewards moment. Life rewards clarity. Life rewards the one who acts when the heart is awake. And whoever understands this wins the war long before the first step is taken. In the end, every journey comes down to a moment. One breath, one decision, one step that separates the life you have from the life that is calling you. And when the moment stands in front of you, do not hide behind fear. Do not bow to the doubts. Do not retreat into hesitation. Do not let uncertainty cloud your vision. Do not allow other voices to drown your own. Do not stand idle while life waits for your courage. Because life doesn't reward the one who watches, it rewards the one who steps forward. The truth is simple. When the heart already has chosen, the mind has only one duty left: to follow. This is how battles are won. This is how destiny aligns. This is how a person finally becomes who they were meant to be. And when your heart has chosen, there remains only one scared duty: to honor that clarity with action. Because life never asks who is perfect, life only asks who is willing to truth their own truth, willing to walk towards what feels real, willing to stop hiding behind the fear of consequence that exist only in imagination. There is a power that awakens the moment you stop running from what you already know. A clarity that appears only when you stop negotiating with hesitation. And once that power arises, even the strongest doubt lose their strength. In the end, courage is not loud, courage is quiet. It is a moment you say to yourself, enough waiting, it is a time. And when a person reaches that moment, nothing in the world can stop what is meant to be unfold. But understand something deeper, something people often forgets. Every destiny asks for one offering, your courage. The world does not bend for hesitation. It opens only for the one who dares to stand aligned with their truth. When you choose courage, you do not just change your action, you change your vibration, you change your direction, you change the very way life responds to you. Because, like mirror, what you carry within. Carry fear and you will see walls. Carry clarity and you will see a path. Carry strength and you will see possibilities where others sees the end. Do not be the one who lets fear write their story. Do not be the one who lets doubt erase their truth. Do not be the one who waits for the world to approve what your own heart had already accepted as right. Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita, action is your duty, outcome is not. Leave that on me. Walking forward is in your hand. What unfolds is in the hands of the highest truth. Trust that. Every hesitation steals one thing from you, time. Every courageous step gives you one thing, direction. The world bows not to the loud, but to the steady, not to impulsive, but to committed, not to the one who shouts their strength, but to the one who acts for inner certainty. Hear this truth clearly. The biggest battle of your life will never be with another person. It will be with the version of you that chooses delay over destiny. Defeat that version and you will never lose again. So rise with the strength you have hidden, rise with the truth you have buried, rise with the courage that has never been waiting for you to stop doubting yourself. Because the moment you rise, the universe aligns. Every path shifts, every barrier weakens, every hesitation dissolves. Life moves for the one who moves first. And once you take the step, you will see what destiny always wanted to show you. That you are never meant to live a half truth. You are meant to live a full destiny. And remember, the ball is in your court. You cannot sit on the fence forever. And fortune always favors the brave. Keep this close. Feel it carefully. Take this hint. Every unfinished story remains unfinished only because someone stopped writing. Thank you.